In this video, I'll be showing you how to redeem codes on Roblox. So there are different kinds of codes you can redeem, like gift card codes, promo codes, or virtual codes. So I'm going to be showing you how you can redeem them on Roblox. The first thing you should do is to sign into your Roblox account and then click on your profile and then click on redeem Roblox codes. It's going to bring you to a page that looks like this, and it says enter your gift card, virtual item, or promo code below. So we are going to find a code and run it here to see how it works. Now I'll just go to Google and look for a Roblox promo code. Take, for example, I'll just type here Roblox promo code, and I'm supposed to be given some options here. I'm going to choose one of these. I'll just open this and look for one of the promo codes here. Now I've come to this page and I see a free NGNBOI. I'm just going to come to Roblox and see free NGNBOI. Make sure to write it exactly as it is. You can just copy sometimes. You can just copy it as it is here. I don't know if it's possible to copy that. Anyway, if you can't copy it, you just type it free NGNBOI. So I think that's what I've written here, and I'll click on redeem. And it's going to take some time to load, and it says code successfully redeemed, and then go to back to redeem. So that is how to redeem codes, to redeem a Roblox codes. If you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.